Alright, let's get started. You will need a socket ratchet combination with a 10mm socket for this job. What we have to do is get those two bolts over there off. Let's get them off one by one, loosen them and keep those bolts somewhere safe. Now you will need to get a big flathead screwdriver. So grab the light, pull it out a little bit, and then you'll be able to just shove the screwdriver in. It's important that you shove it in right where I'm doing it. So, and it goes in all the way, and then pry the light out. The important distinction, the light comes out to the side, not towards the back. It comes out straight towards the side. Once the light is out, let's take a closer look at this. There is two alignment pins. They go in right there. And that's what we were pulling out with the screwdriver. And see where my finger is? That's where your screwdriver should go. So that way it presses up against the black piece, not the red lens. We don't want to press against the lens. It will crack it. Now that's the bulb holder for the rear turn signal bulb. Just grab it and twist it left. You may have to use both your hands to twist it left, but you just have to twist it left a little bit to loosen it. And that's it. Now it's loose. Now you should be able to just get it right out of the light. And out it comes. There you go. Good. Now to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and pull it out straight, and it comes right out. The bulb replacement size is right there on it. WY21W. That's what you need to get. WY21W. Get the new bulb and push it into the bulb holder. And when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you have to make sure it just drops right in. Now it may not just drop right in, and you would likely have to do some twisting and turning before it goes in like this. And that's okay, so just be patient with it. Once it's in place, just grab it and twist it right to lock it in place, and you are done. That's good. When you put the light back on, first just focus on those two alignment pins. Let's get a closer look at this. See how those pins are aligned with the holes? That is looking good. Now gently push them in first. That way we make sure you don't press it up against something else and break the pins accidentally. See, once it's in, now just give it one big push, and that's good. Now let's just put those bolts back on. Hand tighten them first and then tighten them down using the socket ratchet combination. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.